Welcome everyone out there in YouTube land. This is Jim Impressions, and we are going to clean the MAF sensor, the MAF of this 2020 Malibu with a 1.5 turbo Ecotec motor. It needs to be cleaned every once in a while. The first thing I'm going to do is put up this red locking tab, and as you can see on the video, it went up just a little bit. And then I'm going to push down on this little button and separate the electrical connection. Take a T20, let me make sure that's T20. Yeah, T20 security bit screw. I'm going to unscrew. Now this is not a magnetic screw, so you got to be very careful not to drop this. And there's another screw at the bottom. Can you see that right there? There we go. I will take out this other screw, and once I have that out, the sensor will come right out. And there we go. We've got our MAF sensor out that easy with just 2 screws. We're going to take this over to the workbench here. We're going to be using this CRC mass airflow sensor cleaner. So I'll just put the little straw in there. And what we're looking at here is both an electrical connection here and then with the body of it, and you'll see some electrical components in here as well. And then I'm going to show you where we're going to be using the mass airflow cleaner. We're going to be using 2 types of cleaner on this. So for the electrical connection cleaner, we're going to be using just this QD electronic cleaner. I put MAP sensor cleaner on the can because that's primarily what I use it for. Oh, and remember, safety glasses are a good idea. I am wearing those right now. We're just going to spray this down a little bit to clean off those connectors. Now they look nice and clean. Using the MAF airflow sensor cleaner for this, see if I have this on video. I'm just going to spray a little bit of that in there and let it dry off, let it drop off. Just spray a little bit more in there, let it drop off. And if you'll notice, there's 2 little windows on the side here, that side and this side. We want to spray that in there really good, shake it out, and do this several times on both sides. We can also clean off the body of it. It's not as important to do that, but we may as well get everything nice and clean. Clean the whole thing. The main thing you want to clean are the internal components. And I'm just going to do it one more time just to make sure we got everything nice and clean. You really can't see good in there, so that's why you want to do it several times just to make sure you have everything nice and clean. I'm going to shake everything off. I'm going to go ahead and put some dielectric grease on the connection here a little bit. I can look in here and already see that it's dry. It doesn't take long for this to dry at all, but you want to do this delicately. You don't want to touch these pins very hard, just barely grazing along the pins, just to apply the dielectric grease. This will prevent it from corroding. I'm just going to leave that sitting there for 5 to 10 minutes to dry, and then we'll put it back on the vehicle. Okay, our MAF sensor is all dry. Take my T20 star bit and go ahead and put this back on the car. First thing I'm going to do is carefully slide this back in the hole. And this is, to me, the hardest part of the job, is putting the screws in without dropping them. I'll put the top screw in, and I'm just going to snug these down. You just got to realize that these are going into plastic, and you don't want to crank it too hard on these. And the next thing is I'm just going to put the clip back on. You heard a click and another click. And that's how easy it is to clean your MAF sensor. You should probably do this every time you clean your throttle body and your MAP sensor. Now I have separate videos where my cousin is cleaning his MAP sensor, and we're about ready to do the throttle body as well. So please watch those videos as well. And like and subscribe if you got anything out of this video. I'd sure appreciate it. And if you need any of these products, I'll have them linked below for your convenience. Thank you very much for joining Jim Impressions today. Have a good day.